Hey everyone, Preet Singh here from Sector 1 Media, and today we're going to be talking about the Ulanzi MT-79, a set of stands that impressed me enough to throw away 2 of my old tripods. Quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Ulanzi. I bought these tripods myself, and everything I'm about to say in this video is my personal opinion. Let me tell you why I threw away my old tripods and what you need to know about these new stands before you actually pick these up.
The MT-79 is a lightweight, portable light stand made from aluminium alloy and plastic. No gimmicks, just solid, practical build quality. It folds down to just 36.5 centimeters and weighs only 550 grams, which means it actually fits in most camera bags without a problem. This is honestly what sold me. My old tripods were a hassle to carry, but the MT-79 slides right into the bag. No straps, no drama. It extends up to 207 centimeters, giving you more than enough height for light setups, camera rigs, or even overhead shots. Now here's the caveat. When I used my smaller LED lights, the MT-79 handled them just fine. Even when tilted, no issues at all. But with heavier lights, especially when angled, I definitely needed to throw a sandbag on the base to keep things stable. It's not a flaw, just basic balance physics with a lightweight stand like this. It also comes with a universal 1/4" screw, so you can easily mount lights, phone holders, small cameras, or even action cams to it.
Now, if you want to go for something even smaller than the MT-79, Ulanzi have actually created something called the MT-71. It's like the little brother of the MT-79. It is a bit shorter, but that also means the fully extended height doesn't quite reach the same as the MT-79. And that doesn't quite suit my purposes, which is the reason why I've stuck to the MT-79s. But for those people who just need it for shorter heights, the MT-71 is a great choice too, and you can check it out with the link below. So, if you're looking for lightweight, portable stands that can handle most setups with a little extra support when needed, the Ulanzi MT-79s are a solid pick. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gear reviews from Sector 1 Media. We look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.